आय लीगाचो सीझन सध्या अर्दो जाला, मात लोकांनी ह्या सर्तीक सापूच प्रतिसाद दिल्लो ना. फातोड्या मॅचीक एकदा 50 लोक जमना. उक्तावणाच्या ISLाक हजारांनी लोक येताले, पूण आय लीगाक कित्याक येना काय म्हूण विचारल्यार GFAचो अध्यक्ष अल्विस गोम्स म्हणटा ह्या गजालीक ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन जबाबदार.
हे पळयात ISL मॅचीक FC गोवाक सपोर्ट करपा खातीर जमिल्ले हजारांनी फॅन्स आनी हे आय लीगांतले मॅचीक रिकामी स्टँड. गोयच्या लोकांनी हे अशें चित्र कित्याक दाखयला हे समजूंक कुस्तार. GFA अध्यक्ष एल्विस गोम्सान स्पश्टीकरण दिवपाचो केल्लो हो यत्न.
The priorities of people over the period of time have changed. Now there are so many other things to be done. The youth also are, having so many other options before them. So maybe these are the factors that need to be studied in detail, and some strategy has to be brought up. But as far as the organizer of the competition is concerned, the All India Football Federation also must take a fair share of this blame, because they are also doing the I-League, they are also doing the Indian Super League, and what attention and what resources are put into ISL, not even a fraction of that is put into I-League.
इतले मजगती पणजेंतल्या परेड ग्राउंडार फुटबॉल स्टेडियम उबारपाक सरकार वचनबद्ध आसा. पयलींचो बांदोडकर ग्राउंड 2004 मोडिल्लो तो आतां परेड ग्राउंडार बांदून बऱ्यापैकी मॅची पणजेन जावच्यो अशें GFAक दिसता.
And more than anything, this stadium in Panjim is required for the simple reason that there are a large number of fans waiting for years to get a decent facility in this capital city.
प्रुडंटा खातीर खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट देवेंद्र गावकार.
आय लीगात शेनवारा जाल्ल्या मॅचीत स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवा आणि धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान प्रत्येकी 2-2 गोल मारून एक गुण जोडलो. स्पोर्टिंग ही गेम जिखपाच्या दारार आशिल्ली, पूण धेंपोच्या हरून आमिरीन निमण्या खिणाक गोल मारून मॅच ड्रॉ केली. आय लीगात स्पोर्टिंग निमण्या सुवातेर आसा जाल्यार धेंपो सेकंड लास्ट आसा.
The usual self, and also because these two teams normally play very good attractive football, but this has just not been their season thus far, has it, Bruno? And it's surprising considering how well they played in the Federation Cup right at the Alvin George to slip a ball through. It has again fallen here for the player from TFA. Here he goes into the box, early shooting opportunity, joy for the Dempo team.
The third corner is a lucky corner for Dempos, and a gifted by Lalit Thapa to Amir Fakhruddin. You can see it's like a butterfingers what he has given right time.
There was some good commitment in midfield, which has won this ball. Again, a good cross this time. It wasn't too far away from Kattimani. Wins it quite comfortably, retains possession. Sets this up for a run from Mahmood, who's looking to put pressure on Callum Angus. Turning this one back in. Vitorino! Outstanding!
The ball to the goalkeeper's left.
This time it's Alvin. He gets some support. Back with Alvin George. Chance! Oh!
It's the fourth corner for Sporting Club de Goa.
Oh, and it's resulted in a goal, and it's Odafa. Odafa with the header. He'll be quite pleased if it lands up in 3 points, but this is the equalizer. And it's Amiri once again. Oh, what an incredible lifeline he could have given his team. He's an Afghan warrior, all right. Harun Fakhruddin Amiri with an outstanding finisher.
गोंयभर हनुमान जयंती व्हड्या भक्तिभावान मनयली. पळयात काय खिणचित्रां.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस त्यों लोक उजागर, रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा.
इतल्याने खबराची चित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.